everyone, I am Monika from IELTS 9. So let's do these kinds of questions. What kind of question I am talking? I am talking about these kinds of question where you need to complete each sentence with the correct ending. So these A to G are the correct endings, but we need to complete these sentences. Okay. So these are incomplete sentences. We need to fill it with the help of these alphabets, correct endings. So for this reading, I have already done two types of question that I can show it to you. Just a minute. Yes, no, not given and multiple choice question in one previous to previous video. You can watch it. Now I will be doing this. So when I was solving first and second type of question, of course, you must have seen I was underlining or circle the things. So when you will be giving, of course, everyone has to give now computer based IELTS reading. So I am showing you left side passage and on the right side question statements. So same way you can also highlight some important words from the paragraph. You can see what kind of things I have highlighted. Okay, every word is not a keyword. Now you look at my paragraph. See this full passage. I have done this kind of highlighting things. Okay, so that I should not read again and again each and every paragraph. And you can get PDFs for all recent IELTS exam from me. You can always DM me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's start. Complete each sentence with the correct ending. So many students, I have noticed that these questions are everyone is doing wrong. Not everyone. So majority of students are doing wrong for these questions. How we can do it? So these are incomplete sentence and these are the correct endings. We need to select from these ending, but how we will select? After reading the text from here, first we will read all the options and underline the things. Museum program will lose its individuality. Okay, lose its individuality and lose credibility. The art loses its importance. D1, it will have to balance opposing demands. Okay, this will encourage museum visitors in the future. It will have the capability of increasing revenue instead of revenue you can get the word profits or uh, some income also they can writer can use. G, the architect's reputation might suffer. Architect's reputation might suffer. Okay, now let's read question number 36. If a large space is available in the museum, if a large space is available in the museum, then what will happen? Okay, so okay, so we have to find this large space. Instead of large space we can get another word. So I'm sure that large space word is not here. I have read this reading. National Gallery, in first paragraph nothing was relating to this large space. Okay, so okay, the first building was considered a, let me shift my photo also. The first building was considered a third modern museum. It opened. So I am looking for large space. Okay. Inside building is there. Building signaled a strong sense of engagement. So this is also not serving any purpose to us for. Okay. Then traditional notions of art museums, alternative model of the museum. I am looking for large space. The layout of gallery is what designed to facilitate the rapid and efficient circulation of visitors. Okay, contained a series of greatly temporary exhibition gallery and a vast great hall. I think this is the location. A vast great hall means large space is available in the museum, which represented an unprecedented emphasis on the ancillary roles of corporate functions and public performance in the contemporary museum. So, lose its individuality, lose importance, opposing demands, museums in the future increasing. So, nothing is relating to these. Let's read next one. This last feature. So, whatever this writer was discussing in this paragraph, so writer is saying another feature. I think this last feature might have seemed excessive to some, yet how it has proven over the years as museums have come to place increasing emphasis on corporate sponsorship and need to generate additional funds via room hire. So I have Notice that additional funds is related to revenue. So additional funds via room hire. So why hiring any room means it has capability of increasing revenue. So F will come with a 36 number. So I will mark this F number. Okay. 37. If children, now children are also somewhere in the same paragraph. So I think yes, now you are clear where you will get the location 36. After that you will get the location of 37. So children related thing it is given. If children are allowed to move freely in the parts of the gallery, then what will happen? Furthermore, the great hall, let me clear this. Further hall, the greater hall has for 40 years provided an area for children to roam at large before being escorted through the much less spatially um, uh, accommodating galleries themselves. Okay, as an intimidating introduction to the lifelong rigors of visiting art museums, its impact on attendance cannot be overestimated. So children, it means if you are providing good place to for children to play uh, without taking too much space, accommodating galleries themselves, as an this introduction to the lifelong rigors of visiting art, it means lifelong means for future. Somewhere they were talking this will encourage museum visitors in the future. You can always google it after my video. What is lifelong rigors? Means repeating. Lifelong means forever visitors or visiting art museum. It means this will encourage visitors in the future. So this also gone. Now 38 number, here E will come. If too much emphasis is placed on the museum building. Okay, museum building. Yes, we need to find this museum. Just a minute, let me clear it. Please do practice with me. You can subscribe, like and hype my video at the end if you just find this video is helpful for you. Okay, so we were looking for building. This paragraph is done, and at the same time other building I'm looking for huge expense of. Okay, so I think they are is if too much emphasis is placed on the museum building itself. Okay, NGV had not stood the test of time for almost among those huge expense of exterior windowless wall the surrounding. Okay, this is not building related. Mm, direct word I have read somewhere building. We add a social interaction. All of this is certainly impressive, but where the art gone? We are greeted by hugely expanded cloakroom. I think this is we are not allowed to see exhibition until we have completed the necessary introduction. Okay, here also no building related thing. Redesign galleries themselves, elegant refarming. So what if too much emphasis is placed on the building itself? Okay, new avenues for renovation by global sweep of. Okay, this mainstay elements of permanent collection. Okay, building is here at its, so you need to find the words. At its most extreme, this results in the construction of new buildings that supplant the artworks inside them, becoming the major attractions themselves. If you do not know the meaning of this, then it will be a problem. So it is a negative word. So it will suppress the artwork inside them, becoming the major attraction themselves. These means they are talking about building. Building will become major attraction. These challenges are mostly keenly felt in the area of temporary exhibition. Okay. So what we will select for this lose its individuality. Okay, yes, writer was talking about art. Okay, so supplant the artworks. So this also C will come with 38 number. Okay. Now 39. There if there is an over reliance on blockbuster exhibition. So blockbuster is here. Yes, what will happen if there is an over reliance on the blockbuster exhibition? So okay, so here, overall, though the prevalence of these rental blockbuster cannot help but introduces certain off-the-rack feeling to the institution's exhibition program. So these rental blockbusters programs cannot help something. In fact, writer is saying it will give feeling of off-the-rack feeling to the institution's exhibition program. So what is feeling? I think this lose its individuality. Museum will lose credibility is not there. It is not talking about credibility. I think importance we have selected. Opposing demand is also not there. Visitors in the future. Architect's reputation is also not talked. So we will select a number with 39. Now coming to 40. If the NGV wants to continue to be successful, okay. So this paragraph is done. Let's move to next paragraph. We were looking for if the NGV wants to continue to be successful. NGV. More importantly, they narrow the options for other worthy but less glamorous projects, and they take energy away from the curator's potential to do further work and on around permanent collection itself. Now, yet the show must go on. Shows can't exist without the public. Okay, even the most adroit organization, NGV assuredly is needs to be able to juggle numerous, often conflicting priorities. What the option is left? Museum will lose its credibility. It will have to balance opposing demand. Okay. Okay. Yes. Here it is given. Yet the show must go on. The and shows can't exist without the public. Even the most this organization NGV assuredly is needs to able to juggle numerous, often conflicting priorities. It will have to balance opposing demands, that is conflicting priorities. So this will come with last one. This in this way you can do this complete each sentence with the correct endings. Thank you.